Okay, so what Stage allows you to do is it allows you to do a presentation where I can bring in multiple pieces of content. Here's an incident response, my drive, together with Google Maps, and I can click on the library, and I can go into icons, and I can bring icons out, and put them anywhere that I want in order to have a conversation. Now, here's the trick. Normally, when I click on the map, the icon is going to disappear because the icon went behind the map. So obviously, that's something that we want to avoid. So there is a way to do that. There's a button down here. If you click that, you lock the layers. And when you lock the layers, when I pull up content, when you click, it does not go to the back. So you're probably going to be working in a lock layer mode most of the time when you're using icons. So if your icons are disappearing, just remember, you can actually lock the layers.